Today's video is a compilation of photos and videos from a visit we did when the whole of the main house was being renovated with the roof off completely so that it could be stripped right the way back down to its timbers and renovated from the outside to protect the precious ceilings inside. So follow along and see what we saw. Oh, new playground.
New playground.
Let's go and see what the queue's like first, alright? Anyway, while I go and sort these boys and their rumbly tummies out, you wouldn't have thought they'd only just had lunch, would you? Anyway, I'll sort their rumbly tummies out, you enjoy some shots from around the park, and then I'll come back to you when we're heading towards the building works.
House entrance and roof walkway entrance. Why do you have dog hat?
Then it's a little wander down a long covered corridor that's going down the whole of the front of the house to get around to the entrance to the lift that'll take us up onto the roof level. Hang on, boys! So loads of interesting information down this corridor, and the National Trust like to have themes for things, I think, so they've related this whole renovation to when Henry VIII visited the Vyne. Let's go in the queue. There's the tile. Well, it depends how long you have to look.
Can we take one of these?
Yeah, let's take one of these.
Those.
Okay. Right, come on then. And having checked in for our time slot, it's up in a very industrial lift we go. And we've emerged the most spectacular views inside and out.
No, but those are running now.
Oh, somebody was hammering. The builders are here building.
What?
I don't know, we'll find them in a minute. So here's a little compilation of some of the photos we took. visit to the building site done, we've decided to take the 74 steps down rather than take the lift back down again. And then we'll be able to leave our high-vis jackets back down at the bottom.
Mm-hmm. It's extremely quick.
Okay.
Right? Oh, right. Yeah. Dump it there. Inside the
Please leave your yellow vests here.
74.
Also down here there's some artwork. People can contribute by paying for a tile and then decorating the underside of that tile. And all these tiles are put up on the roof. So they'll be there as long as this next version of the roof lasts. So then the next hill will stop and see the temporary exhibit in there. So far. Oh, it's just things they found while they were excavating.
You also have a giant key.
That's one of the things they found. Things they found in the attic.
Lincoln Code Light might be a thing, because this wasn't owned by the National Trust in World War, was it?
I don't know.
I think it was owned by the family, so it could
Oh,
be
there's some dog prints on that one. Well, that was a really great trip. It was fascinating to see the conservation builders in action and some really lovely restful music as well when we were going around the house. And now it's a quick game of hide and seek in the bamboo maze before we head home.
Let's get going then, loves.
We really hope you've enjoyed coming along with us on today's adventure, and if so, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload next. But for today, all that remains to say is bye for now.